So Muku assume say I be number 1. Okay. Just 1 second.
Okay, let me go by your confidence level.
Okay, with my new belief in myself, I think 6th place will probably be Mano.
Pere.
White money 6.
Angel.
Apple Pere, 6.
6, Emmanuel.
Emmanuel Face.
Emmanuel.
White money.
Cross, 5th.
5, Pere.
Maybe Pere.
Number 4. Cross.
And Angel Force.
4, Angel.
Cross.
Cross.
Apple Emmanuel.
Number 3, White Money.
Liquorose.
White money, 3rd.
Maybe Cross comes 3rd.
3rd, maybe me.
Angel.
2nd, Liquor.
Liquorose comes 2nd, maybe, and
For some reason, I think Lico will fall number 2.
Angel, 2nd.
If it be Pere,
Liquor Rose.
if it be Pere.
2nd, White Money. 1st, Liquor Rose. I think that's how it's going to be.
is that what you were requiring me to do? Because that's what I understood from the question.